Call me crazy, but I did this hair from 10 p.m. to 3 a.m. in the morning. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace. If you're new here, you're welcome. This video is sponsored by QVR Hair, and the reason I'm doing it this late is because the submission date was fast approaching and I needed to get it done. Being a mom, you are so busy that you don't even realize how much time is passing you by, and if you're not careful, you can be left behind on so many things. And that's why it's so easy for mothers to neglect themselves, because they are so into the motherhood role, and these are just the struggle that comes with it. Now let's get into this Afro kinky bulk. It's 100% unprocessed human hair. It doesn't smell funny, it's easy to section, and it's very soft. Right now I'm going through the process of prepping the hair before I start braiding. I find it hard to braid as I go. I prefer to prep. From prepping the extension to pre-parting my hair, it really makes my life so much easier. Initially, I wanted to do square parting, but then I realized time was not on my side and I was getting tired. So I switched to random parting, and I think it was the best decision because it did speed the parting process. The extension is human hair and it's really soft, so I'm using this technique where I'm braiding my natural hair about an inch using the twist strand method. That way, when I install the twist, it will not slip off and I will get to enjoy my hair a little bit longer as the time goes on. I'm done pre-parting at the back where I'll be doing the twist, moving on to the front where I'll be doing cornrows. I'm a professional braider and I live by pre-parting hair for 3 reasons. 1, it saves me time. 2, it guides me and directs me. 3, it gives me a preview of what I'm about to create, and that is really exciting. If you're an aspiring braider, if you're a beginner braider, if you're a professional braider, you are yet to master the art of pre-parting, I strongly recommend you to get into it. You will thank yourself later because it's just amazing. It's almost midnight and I finally started to braid my hair. QVR Hair, can you explain yourself why it says 20 inches but the actuality does not look anything closer to it? I had to unravel and add an extra piece so I can get the desirable length. Make it make sense in the comment section, please. Thank you. With your hands, you got some moves and good with your dance. All your enemies, I don't know where to win. Now your phone is blowing up, they don't know where to begin. Let me make it crispy. Do you trust me? I promise you will like me. Grace braider, you Afrocentric hairstylist. I do what I love, I do what we love, and I'm blessed enough. When the men are above, get that grace touch. Whatever you need, I got you. I don't talk much, yeah. I don't do rush, yeah. I see you blush every time you talk about your crush. I heard you got skills with your hands. You got some moves and good with your dance. All your enemies, I don't know where to win. I finished doing the cornrows at the front and it was already 1 a.m. Was I tired? Yes. Was I happy? Absolutely. I'm about to start with the twist installation and I want to explain it to you in details. I'm using crochet to pass the hair extension through, and now we'll have 3 strands. I will then braid the base using 3 strands method, and just when I get about an inch where I stopped with my natural hair, I will then split it into 2. Before proceeding into doing the twist, I will first twist each strand. This way it allows me to blend my natural hair with the extension so it doesn't stick out. And once I feel it's secure and it's blended, then I will proceed to with the twist. I'm gonna repeat this at the front just in case you don't see at the back. At the front you will get more visual. I heard you got skills with your hands. You got some moves and good with your dance. All your enemies, I don't know where to win. Now your phone is blowing up, they don't know where to begin. This is the fourth pack and I only took some to do the last hair at the front. So I'm about to demonstrate to you again the same method. We use crochet, we pull the hair extension through. We have 3 strands now, my natural hair and 2 strands of hair extension. I'm going to then braid the hair all the way up about an inch where I originally braided my natural hair. And once everything is braided and I just have that one part out, I will then split it, then twist one side, making sure that I'm blending my natural hair in, twist it. Once I feel it's twisted and blended and secure, then I will proceed with the 2 strands twist, as you can see here. And this is the same method you will do as well when you are adding for length. When you add an extra piece for length, before proceeding with the twist each strand first. This allows security so that that extra piece does not slip off. With your hands, you got some moves and good with your dance. All your enemies, I don't know where they went. Now your phone is blowing up, they don't know. Spray some water, then use a leave-in conditioner of your choice just to give it some life. You Afrocentric hairstylist. I do what I love, I do what we love, and I'm blessed enough. When the men are above, get that grace touch. Whatever you need, I got you. I don't talk much, yeah. I don't do rush. I am so happily tired. I finished the hair exactly 3 a.m. 5 minutes. And what is a hairstyle without your edges being laid? Even though I was not going anywhere, but I needed to finish the whole look. Yeah, it's very important for you. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. Suddenly I'm no longer tired because QVR hair got me feeling myself. This hair is soft, is light, it doesn't even feel like it's on my head. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed or learned a thing or two, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to see my next video. Bye.